Hello students, standard 8. As you know that next month from the 4th January there will be an exams going on in which whatever the chapters are there in syllabus we have completed all of them. So from these chapters, the chapter 9 is little important chapter and it is little difficult also. So I'm going to revise that chapter again so that if any confusions, difficulties in your mind, you can clear that confusions. And in addition and subtraction, as I show you that method that was vertically, I will show you another method also. So that in the future, you don't have to worry, because in future you will use that method in the simplification, and therefore I will explain you 2 times 1 sum, so you will listen carefully that so that it is in your mind forever. So let us start with some questions of add. First add 1. 6a square minus 7a minus 9 and 9a square plus 10a plus 5. So now whatever I am telling, listen carefully and try to remember and follow that instructions. So whenever there is add or subtract, then try to put first step in the bracket, like 6a square minus 7a minus 9 plus, add means plus, 9a square plus 10a plus 5. Now removing the brackets. Now when there is a plus, don't have to worry, just take out the brackets and write down all the terms as it is, means plus 9a square plus 10a plus 5. Now here we were writing one here and then the other down, but now we will not do that one. So listen carefully what I explain you now. Now we have to bring the like terms together, because addition and subtraction can be done only with the like terms. So we will arrange the like terms, means the family, same family members we will bring together. So we will write down arranging like terms together. Like terms means the same family. First one is a square family. So 6a square. Now out of that, which is the other term which is containing a square? So here it is 9a square, and check the sign before it, it is plus 9a square. So you don't have to look at the sign, but whatever you bringing here, that is plus 9a square. Now here is minus 7a. Who's in his family? Plus 10a. And then minus 9 plus 5. Now the same family together. We make them together. Now just we have to add or subtract the family, not with a different family. So here now 6 plus 9. What is 6 plus 9? 15. So 6 plus 9 is 15. So 15a square. Now here minus 7 plus 10. When there is opposite sign we subtract, means 10 minus 7, 3. So 3a, but greater number sign is plus. So plus 3a. Don't do like that. Minus 7 plus 10 is minus 17. And then minus 9 plus 5. Here also opposite signs. So 9 minus 5 is 4. But greater number 9 sign is minus. So answer is 15a square plus 3a minus 4. Once again I am going to explain you. Watch carefully. So whenever there is a plus, you have to add. Then take out the and, put plus sign with the bracket. Next step, remove the bracket only and do the, write all the terms as it is. And then we have to arrange like terms together. Like terms means same family. Right? So here three families are a square family, a family and without a. Means constant terms. So first I write down 6a square. Now from this, which is another family member here? 9a square, but plus 9a square. So I write down plus 9a square. Another nothing there, so we finish. Then second term is minus 7a. With sign we have to keep it. Then his family plus 10a. So minus 7a plus 10a. And then last minus 9 and his family without constant, without any variable. And then simplify. 6 plus 9, 15a square, minus 7 plus 10, 10 minus 7 is 3, greater number is plus, so plus 3a, and minus 9 plus 5, so opposite sign, so 9 minus 5 is 4, and greater number is minus, so minus 4. Similarly, we will do the second one. 5x cube minus 4x square plus 3 and 3x cube plus 7x square minus 9. So here also we will do the same thing first. Plus, take out the bracket and arrange the like terms. So 5x cube minus 4x square plus 3 plus 3x cube plus 7x square minus 9. Removing the brackets, 5x cube minus 4x square plus 3 plus 3x cube plus 7x square minus 9. Now family members together means like terms. So arranging like terms together. So first is 5x cube. Who is the other member of the family? This cube one. Be careful. There is square, there is cube, there is constant term. So 5x cube plus 3x cube. The second family is minus 4x square. Where is the other x square one? Here. Plus 7x square. And then the last plus 3. And it has family member minus 9. So you have to check the sign before the term, not after the term. So whenever you rearrange them, we have to take that term with the sign and arrange. Now family. If it does not have a family, you can keep it alone. Then you don't have to worry about it. So now 5 plus 3 is 8. So 8x cube minus 4 plus 7. Bigger minus smaller is 3x square. Greater number is plus sign. So plus sign. 3 minus 9. Opposite sign. So 9 minus 3 is 6. Greater number has minus sign. So your answer is minus 6. Now for subtraction. Let us understand the sum of the sum with the subtraction. In subtraction, two things to keep in the mind. Let us write down first the question, then I will explain you what first thing is to keep in the mind. 5x square plus 4x minus 7 from 8x square minus 6x minus 11. So here, first thing to keep in the mind when there is subtraction is that in addition we write down that one and plus that one. Simple. But when there is subtraction, it is not like that, that thus minus thus, because we have to subtract thus from thus. It means that thus one will be first, and then minus we have to subtract the first one. So here we will write down like that, 8x square minus 6x minus 11 minus the first polynomial. So that is the first thing to remember, that from whatever the expression is after from will be first, and then minus the first expression will go back. In addition doesn't matter, but in subtraction it does. So therefore you have to be careful that that one and minus the first one. Now second thing to remember, when you open the bracket, here we open the bracket, nothing was changed, but now here when you open the bracket, in the minus, first term will be same. First bracket when you open, no changes in it, but in the second, because of that minus sign, all sign will be changed. So here 5x square will become minus 5x square, plus 4x will become minus 4x, and minus 7 becomes plus 7. So that is the two important things you have to remember. First, after the from expression will be first, and then that expression minus. And then when you open the bracket, first bracket will be same, but in the second bracket, all the sign will be changed. It means plus will become minus and minus will become plus. So here it was plus, inside become minus, plus becomes minus, minus. Now same thing, nothing difference. Now arranging the like terms together, same thing. So now arranging like terms together. So first x square family, which is the other member, minus 5x square, minus 6x minus 4x, another family, and minus 11 plus 7. Then it is the same like the addition, nothing different. Only those two steps, very, very important. So now 8 minus 5 is 3, and greater number is 8, so 3x square. Both are negative, so we have to add them, 6, 4, 10. But because both are negative, the sign will be also negative. So minus 6 minus 4 is minus 10, so minus 10x. Minus 11 plus 7, opposite sign, so we have to subtract. What is 11 minus 7? 4. 4, but greater number is 11 has minus sign. So answer is 3x square minus 10x minus 4. Let me explain you again. As I told you, the algebraic expression having from, after from is taken as first, and then minus the first expression. Opening bracket, first will be same, but in the second bracket, the sign will be changed, bracket will be removed, and then same like the addition. Let's take the another one, 2x square minus 6, plus 6x minus 8 from 3x square minus 4x plus 1. So as I told you, from this one, so that one will be first. So 3x square minus 4x plus 1 minus 2x square plus 6x minus 8. So now we have to remove the brackets. So first bracket will be as it is. In the second bracket, plus will become minus 2x square, plus it will become minus 6x minus 8 becomes plus 8. And now arranging like terms together. So 3x square, then minus 2x square family, minus 4x, minus 6x, plus 1 plus 8. So there are three families. 3x square minus 2x square, 3 minus 2 is 1. We don't write down when there is 1, so only x square. Here also minus 4 minus 6 is minus 10. And 1 plus 8 is plus 9. So now we will do like this only. Not vertically, but we will do horizontally only. Means plus, there is no changes, arranging the like terms together and simplify. In subtraction, first from the whatever is there, minus the first one, and then when you remove the brackets, the second expression will be changed by all the sign, and then same as the simplification here. So by this way you can have the other sums also. It will be followed by PDF. I will give you some more examples for the practice, so that you have the practice of the new method that I explained you. Only those two things in subtraction, and then you simplify that time also very careful, and then it is no problem. Thank you very much.